name's Amanda Akers and I'm a clinical psychologist and practice owner of Akers Psychology in Helensvale at the Gold Coast. I first met Natasha Denman at a networking event at the Gold Coast, and soon after that I heard over social media, as I've been following Natasha on social media, that she was bringing the half-day Ultimate 48-hour workshop to the Gold Coast, and I booked in straight away. I was really quite excited to go and see Natasha working in person. When on my way to the workshop, I was quite excited but a bit hesitant. I was only half convinced that this was going to be something for me. As I worked through the workshop and watched Natasha working with one of the members of the audience, looking at all of the 12 chapters of their book right there in front of all of us, I was really amazed. She's a very dynamic person. By the end of the workshop, I was fully convinced and I signed up for the Ultimate 48-Hour Author Retreat. And very soon after that, I completed writing my own book. And I have my book here, Frozen Family, 7 Essentials for Survival When You Have an Ice User in Your Life. And I'm so pleased that I attended that first half-day workshop. It was only half a day out of my time and it was so valuable. I'm aware of another 3 psychologists and they're colleagues of mine who've been to the half-day workshop as well and also written their own books. So if you're seeing the dates for Natasha's Gold Coast half-day workshop for the Ultimate 48-Hour Author, get yourself along and see for yourself.